Hi there and welcome to Eco Steam Cleaning in Liverpool, the UK. Today I thought I would show you how to temporarily repair a coupling from the Panther truck mount 20 HP series. We've never done this before. What's happened is we've got a split. I'll try and show you this here. We've got a split coupling, and probably better off showing it from that way. Maybe you see it all the way down there, all the way going across. Anyway, today is a Sunday and tonight we have a big job and we don't have a spare coupling, so I'm going to try this with zip ties to repair it. Now I'm not sure whether it's going to work, but I'm pretty confident it will work. Now, we're only doing this as a temporary measure because tomorrow's Monday and we will buy another one. But for anyone out there who could maybe be in the same position, lose a good job, why don't you just repair it with some zip ties. These are rubber, so they're not very strong, you know, they are very flexible and they do tend to break. So I thought I'd just share this with you anyway, and I'll let you know how we go on. Thank you. Hi there.